So the name of the chapter is Rotational Mechanics, and this is our lecture 1. Now in rotational mechanics, the concept that actually comes first is called torque. Now the physical quantity that produces rotational motion is called a torque. Now what is a torque? Suppose there is a particle P, and F bar is the force acting on the particle P, and O is the origin about which the motion is taking place, and R bar is the position vector of the particle P with respect to O. So this is R bar. Then torque, which is represented by the symbol tau, this is called tau, of the force F bar about the origin is defined as a vector quantity. Tau bar is equal to R bar cross F bar. Now next comes torque on a rigid body. So consider a rigid body. This is the rigid body, and suppose this rigid body is rotating about an axis AB. Let F bar be the force acting on a particle P of the body, and O be the origin on the axis of rotation. So here is O, which is the origin on the axis of rotation. Then torque of F bar about O on P is tau bar is equal to R bar cross F bar. The next concept is called moment of inertia. Now consider again one rigid body. This is the rigid body, and this is rotating about a fixed axis AB, and consider a particle P of the rigid body which is of mass small m rotating in a circle of radius r. Now the particle P suffers from two kinds of acceleration. One is radial acceleration, which is v square by r, and which is in turn equal to omega square r, because v is equal to r omega. So the corresponding radial force is equal to m omega square r. Also, there is another kind of acceleration which is called tangential acceleration, which is equal to dv dt. So the corresponding tangential force is equal to m dv dt is equal to, if you replace omega by v by r omega, then it will be equal to mr into d omega dt, because this r is constant, and this is equal to mr alpha, where alpha is called angular acceleration. Now the torque due to radial force, which is equal to m omega square r about the axis AB, is 0 as it intersects the axis, and the torque due to the tangential force, which was equal to mr alpha, is mr square alpha, as the force and the axis are perpendicular. Thus the resultant torque on P is equal to mr square alpha, summing over all the particles of the particular rigid body. The total torque due to all the forces acting on all the particles, this is denoted by tau suffix total, is equal to summation over I m suffix I r suffix I square into alpha is equal to something I into alpha. Now what is this I? I is equal to, if you can see this particular expression, summation over I mi ri square, and this is actually called the moment of inertia of the body about the axis of rotation. Thank you.